that's inherently meaningless is in conflict or contradiction to the meaninglessness of the universe. Right. Existentialism now takes this approach if the universe is inherently meaningless based on free will and personal responsibility, human beings have a moral obligation to subjectively construct a meaningful narrative in what's deemed objectively chaotic. So these are some of the philosophical ideas of reality. Then you have ideas like pantheism, which postulates that the universe is synonymous with an external divine intervention. Then you have
every part thereof is holy because it's part of the whole.
Right, and then you have panentheism, which adds a second layer by postulating that an external divine intervention interpenetrates the universe, simultaneously existing outside space and time. Right. Then we have panpsychism or panpsychism. I could never pronunciate a lot of these philosophical terms, right? Which postulates that all matter on a universal, primitive, primordial level has ingrained some level of consciousness on an infinitesimal level. So when you look at pantheism, you look at panentheism, and you look like panpsychism, they all have this